All the warm and cozy spices of pumpkin pie, but in a fluffy cake topped with whipped cream frosting. Let's make this Thanksgiving pumpkin pie cake. Start by adding 113 grams of softened butter to your stand mixer. Add in 170 grams of cane sugar, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix on low until there's no butter chunks. Next, add in 2 large eggs, half a cup of milk, 113 grams of pumpkin puree, and 57 grams of sour cream. Mix on low until combined. My little trick when making cakes with my stand mixer is to use the paddle of the mixer to scrape it down, as I feel like the butter gets trapped at the bottom of the stand mixing bowl sometimes. Next, add in 212 grams of cake flour, 64 grams of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt, and mix together until a smooth batter forms. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl with your spatula to ensure that the cake batter is completely mixed. Transfer the batter to 2 6-inch cake pans that are lined with parchment paper. They should weigh about 454 grams each. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool completely in the pans before removing them. To make the frosting, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 142 grams of sifted powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a stand mixer with the whisk attachment. If you prefer, you can also use your hand mixer for this, but I feel like the stand mixer does this faster and it's also hands-free. Whisk starting on low to avoid splattering, then slowly increase the speed as the mixture begins to thicken until you're at full speed. Whisk until stiff peaks form. Transfer the whipped cream frosting to a piping bag with Ateco Tip number 827. Place the first cake layer on a cake plate or cake stand, whatever you plan to serve it on. I'm just using a simple plate here. Place a dollop of frosting and then place the cake on top, bottom side up. Pipe a shell border on the outer edge of the cake by piping a swooping motion. This motion is similar to a hump in a country road, or if you were writing a cursive lowercase r and were lazy and left it rounded. Continue to do this all the way around the cake and then do the middle as well. You won't see the middle, so you could even just pipe 1 big dollop of frosting here and no one would even know. Top with the second cake layer, bottom side up, and repeat this process. I like to top this cake with 2 cinnamon sticks, but this part is totally optional. Enjoy this pumpkin pie cake as part of your Thanksgiving feast. If you want more seasonal organic recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.